Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel again. This is Devi, and in this short video I'm going to be looking at ways to earn in Rapido Run Smart Contract and also how the matrix actually works. So some of my team members have been asking this question, so I've decided to make this short video and explain how the matrix actually works. So there are 5 ways to earn in Rapido. As you can see here, I'm using the PDF, the program PDF to explain this. So as you know, the matrix has got 3 programs. It has got the Rapido X3, or commonly known as X3. It has got the Rapido X4 program, commonly known as the X4, and the Rapido X8 program, commonly known as X8. So all these programs, you can get started with 0.03 ETH. Whereby 0.01 ETH will go here, 0.01 ETH will go to the X4, and 0.01 ETH will go to the X8, as I'm going to explain in the coming page. So another way you can earn from Rapido is you can get spills from your upline, and also you can get overflows from your downlines. So those are the 5 ways you can earn from Rapido Run. So let us go on the program breakdown of Rapido. Now, as we can see, it has got the 3 programs. There is X3, X4, and X8. So your 0.01 ETH, no 0.03 ETH will be divided equally into all these 3 programs, meaning that 0.01 will go here, 0.01 will go here, and 0.01 will go here. So let us look at the ways you can earn in this matrix. So as you can see, the X3, it has got 1 line, and this 1 line has got 3 places. So all earnings in this matrix will go to your wallet. The first sale and the second sale will go to your wallet directly, and the third sale, this one will go to your upline, and it will reactivate this slot for you so that you can earn from it continuously. Let us look at the slots. Some of you don't know the slots we are talking about. These are the slots. These are the slots. So if you are here, every member starts from 0.01. So these first 2 slots will go to your wallet, and this third sale will go to your upline above you, and it will reactivate this very slot again for you to earn from it continuously. If you are maybe at the 4th slot, which is 0.01 ETH, it will mean that you will get 0.1 ETH here and also 0.1 ETH here. The 0.1 ETH for this third slot will go to your upline, and it will open this slot again, meaning that if this one goes to your upline, these 2 slots will open again, meaning that they can be filled again, and you can earn from them. Hope that is explained properly. Now let us go back. That is X3. How does the X4 work? This is the X4. It has got 2 lines. It has got the first 2 lines, the first 2 cells in the first line, and the first 4 cells in the second line. Now these first 2 cells, if I'm to name them, this is cell 1 and this is cell 2. These ones will go to your upline, the person who invited you into the program, and then for you, you'll earn cell number 3, cell number 4, and cell number 5, meaning that from this slot alone, you're going to earn 3 times of how much you used to buy it. For example, if you bought it 1 ETH, meaning that you'll get 1 ETH here, you'll get 1 ETH here, and you'll get 1 ETH here. So that is 3 ETH from only one slot. Then the fourth cell will go to your upline, and it will open this slot again for you to earn from it continuously. Let us take an example from the slots here. I used one ETH. No, that is X3. Let us look at X4. This is X4. Let us take an example of a slot of 1 ETH here. So the first 2 cells in this slot will go to your upline. This one and this one, this 1 ETH and this 1 ETH will go to your upline, and then for you will get the 3rd ETH, the 4th ETH, and the 5th ETH. That is 3 times of how much you used to buy this slot. So if you bought it at 1 ETH, you'll get 3 ETH from it. That is a profit of 3 times what you used to buy it from. Then this 4th sale, it will go to your upline, and it will open the slot again for that you can earn from it continuously. That is how the Rapido X4 works. Let us look at the last one. This is X8. It has got 3 lines, the first line, the second line, and the third line. The first 2 cells here, cell number 1 and cell number 2, will go to the upline of your upline. Who is the upline of your upline? The upline of your upline is the person who invited your upline into the program. So now this one and this one will go to the person who invited your upline, and then the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th cell will go to your upline, the person who invited you, and then for you, you'll get this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for you, you'll get 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. How many times are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So meaning that for this slot alone, you'll get 7 times of what you put in. If you bought it at 1 ETH, you'll get 7 times of 1 ETH, which is 7 ETH. Then the last sale, it will go to your upline, and it will open the slot again for you to earn from it very many times. Let us look at the actual X8, and we see. I think it is also explained here. These first 2 cells, they will go to the upline of your upline. It is explained here. The first 2 cells will go instantly to your second level upline, superior upline of your superior upline, meaning that the person who invited your upline. So if Jane is your upline and Jane was invited by James, so James is your superior upline. James invited Jane and Jane invited you. So these first 2 cells will go to James, 3, 4, 5, 6 will go to Jane, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 will go to you. That is 7 times. The 14th cell, it goes to your upline, and it will open the matrix for you. This way you'll keep earning unlimited times with Rapido X8 program. So that is the Rapido X3, and that's all I wanted to explain, how the compensation plan works. These other ones I've been talking about them in my previous videos. So guys, that is how the matrix works, and we have looked at how the matrix works and the 5 ways you can earn from the matrix. See you guys in the next video.